Hello, welcome to my tutorial class on getting started with C++ programming. In today's class, we are going to look at how to create combinational tones in C++. So generally, the concept of combinational tones is that we want to we want to assign different frequencies at different times. So if I look on this line of these combined tones, we have in this particular line we have a frequency of 220 hertz, and at a certain time it was 330 hertz, and at a certain time it was 440 hertz. All these combinational combined frequencies generate different tones. And if I look to the second line, also we maintain the same frequency, and again to the second line, to the third line, we have 440, 550, and 660. All these frequencies, they generate different tones. But basically, what we are actually doing is that we are summing different sinusoidal signals. As you can see, as an engineering student, by a mere seeing this picture, you should understand what is going on here. So it's just summation of different sinusoidal signals at different frequencies. So let's go to Visual Studio and see how you can do that. So here in Visual Studio, I've already created this one, and I titled my project as Math Trick. So it's a trick. You can sum different sinusoidal signals. So here we have the header files, and the most important part of the header files is this windows.h. So it allows you to use a sleep time and a beep function. So after that, in the int main, we are starting our main function from here. So it was commented here, trying songs for the first time in Visual Studio. So we can give it like our first time to try to play some song or some tones. So here I have frequency of 220 hertz, one particular fundamental frequency, and other harmonics are F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, and you can generate lot as much as you want depending on how you understand it. And here I'm creating a time, so a time span for each frequency to operate. And then I created a for loop, so it will continue singing for me as a time at the time I wanted it. So for the first time I was calling beep, you should call this fundamental frequency for this particular assigned time. I should sleep for 100 just 0.1 seconds. And here, for the second time, I was calling the first harmonic, second harmonic, third harmonic, fourth harmonic, and like that. So let's build it up and see how it's sounding. Go here, first clean it up. After cleaning it, go back to build, click on build up. So it built up successfully. So okay, let's debug it. Come to local Windows debugger and click on debug. So that is it. You see, you've heard how the tones are being combined. So if you are interested in making such, you can stop the video at different time, just copy the code and try it yourself. I wish you the best in your learning. Bye.